To add the EOS network on Metamask, you need to start by opening your Metamask wallet and clicking on the Add Network button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of your wallet interface. Next, you will need to fill in the required fields to add the EOS network. The fields include network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. For the EOS network, the network name is EOS mainnet, the RPC URL is HTTPS. The chain ID is 1, the currency symbol is EOS, and the block explorer URL is HTTPS. Once you have filled in the required fields, click on the Save button to add the EOS network to your Metamask wallet. After adding the EOS network, you can now interact with EOS-based decentralized applications and manage your EOS tokens directly from your Metamask wallet. It is essential to note that adding the EOS network on Metamask does not automatically add EOS tokens to your wallet. You need to have EOS tokens in your wallet to interact with EOS-based applications. Additionally, it is crucial to ensure that you are adding the correct network details to avoid any potential issues or losses. In conclusion, adding the EOS network on Metamask is a straightforward process that requires filling in the necessary network details and saving the changes. By following these steps, you can easily add the EOS network to your Metamask wallet and start exploring EOS-based applications.